Hey, it's Randy from Happy Maple Nursery, and today we're going to tackle some of these Potentillas that we've had. These are fantastic bomb-proof flowering trees that are super robust and make for great bonsai. They just get this leggy growth when they're grown for nursery. So we're going to come at this pretty hard. We did a very rough initial wiring. See some branches actually die back. And so we're just going to come back and try to chase this growth back a little tighter and see if we can't get something a little more compact and a little more bonsai-ish. So here we go. I'm going to be quite ruthless. Change our weapon of choice here. I'd actually get rid of this entirely. I don't think I need that whole branch. There's going to be a big gap here because this died. We'll leave it for now. So we've got some old wires. We're just going to take these off. So this is going to come off. This is completely dead. Just doing the scratch test. Yep. So let's take off our old wire. Save that. Actually, we're going to take this off entirely. This branch here, you can see it's coming from underneath. So we're just going to take that off. It was alive, but you don't need it. Got some new growth there, bit of growth here, bit of growth there. Hopefully we'll trim this back and stimulate it. Not sure what to do with this. We got some more dye back up here. Looks like we're gonna have a big gap. So this left part of the tree, so maybe we can work something over.
I'll cut my out.
Okay. Keep this guy in the back as a sacrifice. we'll just leave that and let it